Hey guys, so today is day 3 and didn't haven't wrote anything yet. So if you guys know, I like it. I think it just so happens that I write most of the time when it's later in the evening and nighttime. So I am now over 4K, and if I could keep that 2K daily momentum going, will be great. But I know usually when I get to like week 3, the struggle. So today I am going to attempt to do that also, but I am killing time a little because I don't want to start writing yet until the Booker Prize comes out, which should be out around now, I think, because it's after 3 US time. So I'm gonna record my reaction. It should be interesting. So I'm gonna record my reaction, and it's gonna be out before this. It's gonna be like a short video that I want to just edit and put up. And keep my fingers crossed that one of my fave gets it this year. But other than that, Timer. I've been using Timer, guys. Timer, which is really helpful because it keeps me on track, and also it allows me to do other things. So I do an hour interval. So I set timer for an hour, write for an hour. When it goes off, I go do something that I need to do, adulting or cook, or other things that I need to catch up on all the AJournalmood on Instagram, stuff like that. And then that will be, I would try to do that for about 30 minutes, less than an hour. I try, set the timer again, go back into writing, and so that seems to be helping. I haven't done any sprint yet. I missed one yesterday. I just didn't get the time right. And I think there's one. There's a bunch more on the weekend. I noticed there's much more scheduled for like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So it's probably when I will do some of those sprints. But other than that, I'm feeling good. I did a very nice scene yesterday. That was just a challenge, but also made me smile when I wrote it. So that's a good sign. And then I still have questions on how I'm taking this. I feel like this should be a full-length novel, not a short story. But I don't know how I'm going to do it yet, because I need several of these characters to have their own story within a story. So maybe I can attempt to do a story within a novel where they're all connected but not. I don't know. I'm thinking I'm thinking in the midst of all of this, like, is this a good idea to change this? But we will see, guys. We'll see. I have to make a decision by tomorrow. Like, tomorrow is, yeah, I have to make a decision by tomorrow. So we'll see how this all plays out. So yeah, I'll keep you guys filled in on this NanoWriMo situation. Alright, guys. Hey guys, so as you can see at my parents, so I'm a hot mess right now because all I've been doing is sleeping. So last night I came, well yesterday evening I came, and I was aggravated because I had to wait. If you watch my Snapchat, I had wasted 2 hours trying to find a parking spot, guys. That's how bad it was yesterday. And by the time I was able to get in the house and relax, I didn't start writing until 10 o'clock. So I had 2 hours to get to the 10K, 2 hours to write at least 2K words. And I did it. I literally stopped writing at 11:58. Disregard that. It's not a fire alarm. It's a smoke detector. It's nonsense that hasn't been fixed yet. Anyway, so right now I'm over the 10K. So happy about that. But today was just so tired. I got up, finished up my video for today, and I'm just like 3 o'clock now, getting out the house and about to get something to eat, and about to buy some stuff because there's some stuff I want that I don't want to buy online because it's gonna take too long. So I'm gonna go to the store. I'll take you guys with me, and then I am hoping to start writing by 8 o'clock. I'm a night writer. I've accepted that years ago. I'm a night writer. I will be off all day and still find that I will write at night. So I'm hoping to start writing, I would say either 7 or 8 o'clock. And get to the 12K. I've been setting my pace on 2K per day. And it's been working out good. And I will talk more later about where I'm going with all of this. But let me hurry and get out of here, put some lip gloss on. Yeah guys, I feel so weird today. So I will check back in on the progress, and wow, the background. Ooh, yeah, I got a lot of stuff going on. Anyway, in the next one. Hey guys, so I am going to be doing a proper update because today's Sunday, so this is day 7. So I haven't write a thing yet, which is kind of early. It's only after 2. So usually I don't write this early, but I have so much to do. So let me give you a rundown of the last 2 days because it was not productive in other areas. So I went to see my parents. So I did do a small clip. I haven't seen it yet because there was so much noise in the house that I'm not sure if that's even going to be in this video. But I was I started feeling like, oh, okay, I haven't seen my parents in 2 weeks. Go drive up and see them. It's not a long drive, it's about an hour and a half. But the parking was terrible. So I wasted 2 hours trying to find a parking spot. So I just gave up and sat in the car. I even ordered food and eat in the car. That's how bad it was. And then by the time I was able to get myself together, focus and all that, I literally had 2 hours. 2 hours to write. And I don't know how I did it, but I wrote over 2K. I started at 10 and I ended at 11:58. 11:58 because I just like, I need to get that time in so I can put it in NanoWriMo before midnight, you know, that deal for the day. And it got me over the 10K. So I was super excited about that. And then we have the following day now. I was exhausted because I was up still late, and then I went a little shopping. So I'm gonna save all of that for my regular Saturday vlog because I want this video not to be too long, and then it's all about writing. So, and I was excited about that, but then I did a lot of walking. Good for my health. Wiped me out a little bit. So then I decided, oh my goodness, I'm going to start writing. I did my journal mode. Same thing happened, guys. But this time I didn't start writing until 9 p.m. There go me again, trying to get my word count in before midnight. I made the biggest mistake because I was feeling exhausted from all that walking that I felt like if I lay down, take a nap, I was going to oversleep. So what I did, I drank some coffee that my stepfather had. I don't know, I forgot what brand it was, but it did a number. I was like, yeah, I'm up. And again, I was able to get over the 12K. So I'm over 12K as of today. That would have been fine, but guys, that coffee kept me up all night. When I mean all night, all night. Then I had to get up super early because New York City Marathon is today. And after a certain time, they block all the roads. So I had to get up super early, and I left around 6 something in the morning. Drive another hour and a half to go home. So I'm home. I got home. I got tired. So what did I do? Sleep. So I wasted the entire day. So my blog post that's supposed to go up today wasn't done at all. I was hoping to get it done yesterday and also finish editing today. That didn't happen. So now I have to squeeze that out today and try to get it up by tomorrow. Time management. Time management was not good this weekend at all. I was doing well all week. I even had time to read. I was using timer. Guys, the timer on this phone has been my friend because I tried to write in 1 hour interval, and then I still have readings to do, and the books that I read, I time again. I would say, okay, an hour I'm going to read now. So I've been doing a lot of that, but this weekend was not productive at all. So now I have to like get myself back together. On top of that, the time clock, daylight saving time. So now I have to get adjusted again to everything going dark by 5 o'clock. Not happy about that either. But that's an update. So today I'm probably won't do any more chatting after this, but the goal is to get to the 14K, because I've been keeping up with a 2K a day. And new revelation, guys. It is not going to be a short story per se. It is going to be a novel in parts. So I am probably going to have 5 parts. That's what I'm thinking, based on the direction that I'm going. Unfortunately, I cannot let go of these characters and the side characters who are also going to be main characters in certain parts. That is the creative road I'm going. Look, I'm going down this road. I don't know where I'm going. But I find that I was enjoying the complicated relationship that these characters have, and their connection to Jamaica, and their family connection as well. So I am keeping it that way. So it is going to be similar to, like, I've seen, some authors do that, where it's stories within a story kind of deal, but they're still going to flow where there's a connection, because there is connection to a time. They all are connected to a time, and it's like each step there's something happening that is going to result. It's going to get more interesting when I get to part 3 and 4 are going to be where I really going to love writing, because it's just the ideas that's pouring out of me for that. But this part 2 is more heavy involved, more of decision making that one character had to make. But I'm enjoying this, where I'm going with this. It's most likely going to be more than 50K based on how I'm structuring the book. But I just need to make it to 50K. That's my goal in this NanoWriMo, is to get to 50K, because at least the chunk of the book would be done. Give and take another 20K, probably a 70K book. I think that's what's going to happen. So yeah, that's where I'm at now. So now I got to all these. This is my travel situation. I unpacked some of my stuff already, but this is where, like, my pens, my journal stuff. Yeah, it's my pouch. It's AJournalmood. All that got to get put away. And then I saved, it's my backups, and I got to put this now on my desktop computer. And yeah, so that's where we at with this. I'm going to end this video today and put with the word count in the bottom of how far I got today, including my journal mood. And then I'm going to edit later or tomorrow morning and have the second video for NanoWriMo up. But yes, guys, it is a struggle moment and most important is trying to have a proper time management system going on. And that's something that I am learning how to do again because, you know, I only do this once a year. So, yeah. But I'm going to clean this up too. Ooh, yeah. And, yeah, and I'm cooking. I'm cooking, guys. I'm cooking. And I'm going to try to utilize the next 5 hours that I have to really get everything done, including writing. So, on to the next.